and today we are going to talk about a phrase that is often used by native speakers. On earth. It is used to add some emphasis to questions or negative statements. You must have heard sentences like, तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब क्या है? So you can see, I'm not generally asking the question, I'm adding some emphasis to my question. Like, तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब क्या है? What on earth do you mean? What on earth do you mean? Okay. तुम यहाँ आए कैसे? How on earth did you get here? How on earth did you get here? ठीक है. And it can be used in negative statements also. Like, मुझे उससे शादी करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता है. No one on earth can stop me from marrying her. No one on earth could stop me from marrying her. ये सब हुआ कैसे? How on earth did this happen? How on earth did this happen? Now you will translate this sentence into English. मैं तुम्हारे लिए काम करना क्यों चाहूँगा? मैं तुम्हारे लिए काम करना क्यों चाहूँगा? Translate this sentence into English by using on earth. I hope you will like the video. If you do so, please don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you once again for watching my video.